Okay, welcome to this heat transfer operation lab, right? So I am Shraddha Pandya. Today I will discuss heat transfer through composite wall. Okay, so we all know that what is composite wall. The wall made of different materials having different thermal conductivities is known as composite wall, right? So what is the aim of particular this practical? So aim of this practical is to determine the thermal conductivity of composite wall. Okay, what are the objectives? So to use heat transfer principle to understand the behavior of thermal system and to expose the student to heat transfer applications in chemical or petrochemical industry, right? So what is the outcome of this particular experiment? Okay, so you will understand the basic concept of conduction heat transfer. Okay, we all know what is conduction mode of heat transfer, right? Solid to solid heat transfer is known as conduction. Okay, so what is the description? Okay, how the apparatus work? Okay, so the apparatus consists of the central heater sandwiched between two mica sheets. Okay, so for this particular experiment we use this apparatus. Okay, and this is the structure of our composite wall that is made of wooden plate, asbestos and mild steel. Okay, so here in the center you can see that heater is there. Okay, and the diameter as well as the thickness of the different plates are given here. Okay, so the structure of our composite wall you can see here. Okay, so this is all about our apparatus. So the apparatus consists of the central heater sandwiched between two mica sheets. Okay, three type of slab are provided on both sides of heater which form composite structure. Now auto transformer is provided. Okay, why? For varying the input to heater and measurement of input. Okay, is carried out by voltmeter and ammeter. Now different thermocouples. Okay, the thermocouples are just embedded between the interface of the slab to read the temperature at the surfaces. Okay, interface to read the interface temperatures. Okay, so this is all about the description. Okay, how this apparatus works. Okay, and this is the our structure of composite wall, right? Now procedure. Okay, so how to perform this particular experiment? So first of all, see the plates are symmetrically arranged on both the side of heater. Okay, it is symmetrically arranged perfectly. Second, start the supply of heater by varying the auto transformer. Okay, so I can change the voltage as well as my current. Okay, by using this auto transformer. Okay, so I am setting this volt around 80 volts. Okay, so here now my voltage is 80 volt and current is 0.8 ampere. Okay, so take the reading of all the thermocouple at intervals after the steady state. Okay, so note down that temperature reading. So how you will just get different temperatures? Okay, so here you can see, okay, different plate temperatures. So here in this particular intervals, okay, at the interface the different thermocouples are embedded. Okay, and these thermocouples T8, T7, T5, T3, T1, T2, T4, T6. Okay, so we get T8 different temperatures. Okay, so you can read that temperature by changing this temperature indicator. Okay, so the number 8 plate temperature is what? 34, right? Number 1 plate is 109, so 45 degrees centigrade, right? At plate 2 my temperature is okay, and the last plate temperature is 34 degrees centigrade. So this is how you can just vary the different temperatures and note down the interface temperature. Okay, so you have to just note down that interface temperatures and you have to apply Fourier's law, because we know that here we used conduction. Okay, and to calculate thermoconductivity through conduction mode we have to apply Fourier's law of heat transfer. Okay, and we all know that what is the Fourier's law of heat transfer. So this is the all about thermoconductivity of composite wall. By applying Fourier's law we have Q, okay, we have temperature differences, we have this thickness. So our unknown part is what? Thermal conductivity. So we can easily calculate the thermal conductivity. Okay. So this is all about thermal conductivity of composite wall. Thank you all of you.